Welcome to Maths with Sowmya. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.
This is the question where is a potato race from starting point 5 meter from the first potato and others are placed 3 meters and there are 10 potatoes are there and we have to find the total distance. Suppose this is the bucket and the line starts like this. This is the first potato kept 5 meter away. So the competitor goes 5 meter and comes back 5 meter to put it out. So this is total distance. Second one is 3 meter but competitor starts from here again from this particular point and going and picking. So 5 plus 3. So this will become 8. And similarly 8 plus 3 for the second one 11. So for picking up the potatoes we will take first and then distance covered going and coming back both we can take. So distance to pick the potatoes are 5 plus 3. This is 8 plus 3. That means 5, 8, 11. So distance is twice to pick and drop the potato. So we just have to multiply this because they are going, coming back, once again going, coming back. So 10, 16 and this is 22. So we got our AP here and N is also given to me 10. So we got here 10, 16, 22. We will write that first. We have to find the sum of the distance. N is given, so I can find the Tn here. Tn, which is my last term. So A is there given 10. D is 16 minus 10, which is 6. So Tn is nothing but which is my last term. I'll write A plus 9D. So last term will be 10 plus 9 into 6. We got our last term, that is 64. I have the first term and last term, so I can directly apply Sn or we can apply the normal formula also and we can do. So this is Sn is n by 2, a plus l, S10, 10 by 2, a is nothing but 10 plus this is 64. 5 into 74, so S10 is 370. Even you can apply the normal formula also and you can do it. You can apply Sn is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Apply the same things and do it. So therefore we can write the competitor runs the total distance (370). This is meter.
If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.
Given AP is this 121, 117, 113. Which term of its first, which is the first negative term we have to find here. Which term of AP is its first negative term? So A, I'll just go with it, 121. D is 117 minus 121, which is minus 4. So D is minus 4. We know this. Tn A plus n minus 1 into D. I shall say here, let nth term of AP be its first negative term. Negative term means what? Less than 0. So therefore I shall say Tn is less than 0. What is my Tn? A plus n minus 1 into D is less than 0. So I'll just apply the things here. This is minus 4 less than 0. Or I'll write 125 is less than 4n. So obviously when I interchange the values, suppose if I say 2 is less than 3, if I interchange, if I put 3 here and 2 here, what happens? 3 is greater than 2. The sign, greater and negative sign changes here. So same thing we will apply here. If I interchange, 4n will become greater than 125. N is greater than 125 by 4. So this will give me 31.25. That means n is greater than 31.25. Obviously, n is not a fraction or the decimal. So greater than 31, the nearest one is 32. So the value of n is 32. So you can say that therefore the first negative term of given AP is 32.
If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.
Given ladder has rungs 25 centimeter apart. So from one to other here, if you see from one to other, there is a 25 centimeter apart they are. And uniformly the length from 45 to 25, this has been going. 25 at the top. If the top and the bottom rungs are 2, 1 by 2, this is 1 by 2 meter apart. So let us convert it into centimeter, 5 by 2. So this is 2.5 meter, which is nothing but 250 centimeter. So we can take the given things here. So top to bottom, the distance is 250 centimeter and each given rungs are apart from each other. So distance between (25 centimeters). So overall length is 250 centimeter. Top to bottom, that is the total length. So I will write it here, total length and length of the between each rungs, distance between (25 centimeter). If I take, let n be the total number of the rungs are there. Let n be total number of rungs in the ladder. So we will find number of rungs will be total length divided by distance between the two. This is n and this is total is 250 by 25 plus 1 I have to add up here. So because how we will take? So I will take the distance from here to here, first one. So my first one will be this one now, because from here to here I am taking the distance. From here to here, from here to here. So this one is left out here because from here to here this is first one. So from here to here, so from here to here this is first one, second one. So I have to add up this one here. So this will be 10 plus 1, 11. So n is 11. This is the first thing what we have to get. From there we will continue further. We got n is equal to 11. Either you take from top or bottom the first one. So if I take A is 45 centimeter. This one if I take A, this one I will take the last one which is 25 centimeter. I have to find sum. N is 11. Yes, 11 is 11 into 35. 385 centimeter. So, yes, 11 is 385. We can give the answer. Total number of the rungs we have to find. Total number of the rungs. So, write rungs or 11 we got. And sum of total length of wood. Would require 385 centimeter.
Thanks for watching. For latest updates, don't forget to subscribe.